Faith Godbold from A Touch of Faith. Thank you for watching the replay. Come on in. It is day 7 of 30 Days of Lives, and I'm so excited to be back with you. We are going to pick up where we left off yesterday, making Simone's shirt, and we are going to actually get it packed and ready to be mailed off today. So as you're watching, if you're watching this part of the live, you may be watching the replay, so go ahead and comment replay, or if you're here live, go ahead and say live. And while you're at it, give us your city and state. I look forward to seeing where you all are tuning in from. And would you help me sprinkle this live out? Let's get as many people on as we can. I know we're going live a little bit earlier than we normally do, but let's see how many folks we can get on the live here today. So I'm going to go ahead and get us pulled up so I can sprinkle us out as well. How are you all doing? Happy Friday. I am so excited, y'all. It is Friday. My mom has made it. Hey, Mom. How are you? So glad you're here. And we're actually getting ready to go see Mom and Dad. So that's why we're going live a little bit earlier today. I wanted to make sure we got our live in for the day. So today is a good day. Any day, of course, is a good day. And what's something good that happened for you all today, through you all or to you all? Let me know in the comments. I always look forward to hearing about the good things that are happening for you. So let us know that. All right. So we created the beautiful shirt yesterday, and we're going to go ahead and get it ready to send off today. And I'm excited to be back. You all are truly blessing us so much. So thank you all for that. Okay, there we have it. And we are going to grab the shirt. And then I thought we would end with a little bit of Happy Mail. So I ordered just a supply that I'm going to need in an upcoming order. And I thought, you know what, we might open that at the very end of this. And it really isn't a lot at all. Hey, Miss Valerie, you made it. How are you? So we're going to grab her shirt that we already made. If you weren't here yesterday, you'll have to go back and catch us on that live. But look, this is the beautiful shirt we made. I'm even wearing mine again today. So here is her shirt. Let's go ahead and get it ready to go. So how are y'all doing on this Friday? Is it hot in your city? Because I tell you, it is hot here. And we went out earlier. Since my husband has Fridays off, we're trying to just have like a summer break together on Fridays. And I had wanted to go to Chick-fil-A and did not go. I think it was last week. So we went to Chick-fil-A. Hey, Simone, I am here packing up your order. I was out earlier when I was messaging you. So we had lunch at Chick-fil-A, y'all. There were so many people at the mall. But it was fun just doing something different, because a lot of times between working at school and then running A Touch of Faith, I spend a lot of time at home because I'm constantly working or busy doing things. So it felt really good just to go out for a bit. So we ran some errands and took care of some things. So what are y'all up to while I'm folding her shirt? And I just like to get it looking oh so nice for her. Simone, I really hope you enjoy opening your order. I always try to package every order with as much love and attention to detail just as I did when I made the product. So whether it's a wreath or a shirt or bow, whatever it is, I always put the same amount of love and attention to detail into everything I do. Okay, so you're still in school. Yeah, I know that feeling. When we were in school, I have a dry erase board in my office, and I literally was doing a countdown every day. I would mark it off. I was so excited. So yeah, you'll be out before you know it. It'll be here before you know it. Oh, okay. Let's see. You're going to go and order another large and white. Oh, wow. Well, guess what, Simone? Since you're doing that, I'm going to match that for you and be a blessing to you. How about that? So let's chat after the live is over, okay? Thank you for being a blessing to me. I thank you so, so much. And that was something my husband and I were talking about today. We were saying how it's so important to really just be in tune and listen to God. I want to flip this over, y'all. I'm going to turn it over. Listen to those things that God is speaking and telling us to do. And I tell you all that often on my page. You always want to be in tune. You know, whose voice are you listening to? So I'm a firm believer of obeying the voice of God, because if you listen to his voice, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Okay, there we go. And let's give Simone a copy of her receipts. I have everything all set and ready to go for her. I'm just going to fold everything and put it in here nicely. Actually, I can fit it all like this. At first it looked like it was going to be a little tight, but I think I can fit it all. Okay, so I'm going to have to clean my camera off. It just told me it couldn't record, so I will do that. Thank goodness for the backups, right? All right. So how is y'all's day going? What are y'all doing today to enjoy this beautiful day that we have? I'm just changing how I put this in. I could have folded it, but I decided against that. And if y'all are here live, thank you for being here yet again for day number 7. All right, so we have it all packaged, ready to go. So now we're going to put it in our mailer right here. Let's get all of that air out of it. Oh, bacon cheeseburgers. That sounds delicious. I love that. Right now I'm still full, so I'm not sure what we'll have for dinner yet. It'll be something good, I know. It's amazing how a lot of times what we do, we plan around eating, right? Are y'all like that too? You think about your day and you're already thinking about what you want to eat, and you plan things around your food. Does anybody else do that? Yes, I figured you were going to say turkey bacon, Simone, after you told me that yesterday. I said she's probably doing turkey bacon. Hey, Miss Catherine is here. How are you? Miss Catherine, I had to put my shirt back on today. We are packaging the order from last night, getting it ready to mail. I'm going to drop it off before we leave. Go out of town today. So I wanted to come back and do that with y'all. All right, so look, it's all set and ready to go. And all I have to do is just put her postage. Let me go start that right now. And I teach all of this, by the way, if you ever need to know how to pack and ship your products. If you are a business and you sell online, I teach all of that in my business group. So if that's something you ever want to learn, It's the same link that I always share with you, learnfromfaith.com. I'll just go ahead and drop that link so you can check it out for yourselves. And I even have an awesome ebook for those two things. So before we head out, remind me, if you want to get that link, I have a link to how you can pack your orders, what to include inside, and I also have a link to how to figure out that whole shipping business, because I know it is challenging sometimes. So if that's something you are interested in, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to give you that link to either of those products. Okay, so I'm just going to start Simone's label, so I'll have that done, and then we're going to open our Happy Mail so we can see what I ordered. I only ordered one little thing. Hey, Michelle is here. How are you? Michelle has been super, super busy making all the things. And she's doing a fantastic job. All right, y'all. I'm just measuring this real fast. Hope you're having a great day, Michelle. All right, let's go ahead and weigh it real quick. And if you need links to any of the products that I use, like my little scale right here, you can go to my affiliate shop, shoplikefaith.com. I have all of the materials that I use for packing and shipping orders. But I love it. I love being able to do all of this from the comfort of my home-based business, and I don't have to worry about standing in the line to get a stamp, right? Super, super easy. Okay, everything looks good on this end. So what do y'all think about that? Is that pretty cool? All right, so I just bought her postage. Let's print it. And then her order is going to be ready to go. So let me send this to the printer real quick. You're going to hear it printing. And there it is. Oh, you're about to make another wreath. Oh, that's good. Oh, last day of school. Was today the last day of school? That is awesome. I'm so excited for you and for them. That's great. Hey, okay, let's see, Miss Catherine. Yes, ma'am, we can definitely do that. Do you want to try that link again? And if not, I'll just send you a direct link. So, will you message me, Miss Catherine, after the live? And I can help you with that. I'll be glad to help you. All right, y'all, look at there. And I'm going to put a cute little sticker on Simone's package. And I think I left my other sticker in the office, so I'll grab that in just a bit. So look, it's all ready to go. I know, right, Simone? It makes me feel so good too. So her order is ready to go, and I love it. I hope Simone feels all the love when she gets her order, because I put a lot of love into it. All right, I'm going to open a quick package that I got in the mail today. And if you're in my creative circle, you're going to see this probably coming up really, really soon. We meet in my creative circle on Sundays at 5, and that is where I do all of my full teaching for my business. And I teach awesome designs, pretty much anything you've ever seen me make, and I show it on my page. I've probably taught it in the circle, but I wanted to try ordering some of this. They call it bling rope. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but I cannot wait until I use this. And I think this one has a little bit of glitter, but see how it looks? So I have some awesome plans for this. So you're going to see this coming up in some designs, and I just need it in black for my first order coming up. So what do y'all think about that? That's going to be coming up very, very soon. All right, y'all, we're keeping it short today. So what questions do y'all have before we head out? I am so thankful that you all were able to tune in today. Don't forget, if you want to check out any of the information that I shared, let me put my affiliate site in the comments in case you want to check that out. And then also the links for my ebooks, how to pack your orders, and also how to ship your orders. Let me grab those links for you as well. And I pray that they are a blessing to you, because I tell you what, I felt inspired by the Holy Spirit when I was writing those. And I literally put everything that I do when I pack orders and I ship orders, just like you saw me do today. So step-by-step directions. If you don't know how to do it, you can certainly check out those items and they will literally walk you through it. I'll grab that shirt for you, Valerie. That shirt is $23 for small to large, and I think it's $2 extra if you go up a size. So let me grab that first. I saw your comment while I was doing this. And you can pick your color and your size when you check out. Okay, so there's the shirt again. And now let me grab those ebooks right here. I have them on Etsy. They're on my website as well. I'm just going to give you the Etsy link since I'm right here. And whether you are a beginner or if you started and you just need a little bit of help polishing up how to pack your orders, there they are. So here's the first one. And I hope it gives you the little thumbnail. You probably will see the thumbnail after the live is over. So how to pack your orders is first. And I'll put that title there so you can see it. You're welcome, Miss Valerie. And then let's do also how to ship your orders, because those are two key things you need when you are selling online. And if you're in my business group, you have access to these materials already just by being a student in that group. So that's one of the bonuses of being in my business coaching group. All right. You are welcome, Simone, and I will talk to you after the live is over. Okay, so I added both links, how to pack your orders, how to ship your orders, and then also the link for the t-shirts. All right, anything else you all need? You also have my affiliate website if you want to see any of the supplies that I use for packing or shipping or anything. Okay. All right, what else before we head out for today? This was fun. Thank y'all so much. And I think we did pretty good on time. So we'll be back again. Let's see, tomorrow is Saturday, so we'll be back for our scheduled live tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So hopefully you're able to join us either live or on replay, but I hope you continue to have a wonderful day. Stay cool out there. Enjoy your summers. Enjoy your children being out of school and all the family fun things, okay? Thank you, Shay. Yeah, we'll come back later today. So we're just going to go for a little bit. Thank you so much. And hello to you. You snuck in on me there. All right, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful, blessed night. Bye, everyone.